Hello everyone. I am your friend and host Mr. Rewarder. In today's video, I am gonna explain you the procedure of converting points to cash on dollarsreward.com. Log in with me into your dollarsreward.com account and follow the steps which I am gonna show you on your screens. After logging into your account, you can see your balances such as account balance and points balance. As we are discussing to convert points, let's focus on points for now. From the top right menu bar, hover on My Money, and then select Convert Points from the drop-down menu. Once the page loads, you can find the first option to convert points to cash. Cash here represents dollar. At Dollars Reward, 1 point is equal to 1 cent and 100 points is equal to $1. Let's test it with an example. Just to understand, I will put 100 as a value in the box. As soon as value is entered, you can see that it automatically calculates and show the value of 100 points as $1. For now I want to convert 250 points, so I will enter 250 value in the box. After entering the value of points you want to convert, simply click on Convert Points button. That's it. You can see a successful message on the top mentioning that your points have been converted. After that, navigate back to the dashboard and you will find that your points have now been converted to cash. You can see that in the beginning, my account balance was $9.03, which is now $11.53 after adding up $2.50 converted from 250 points. I hope that you have now learned to convert your points balance into cash balance. Wasn't that easy? Wait. I have brought some rewards for you all. Redeem promo code POINTSFUN on dollarsreward.com to get some free points. That's all for today. See you later. Happy earnings.